I am too amused by this Roomba right now. It's way too amusing for some stupid reason. Dump. Oh, here it comes. It's gonna bump into that thing. Don't. Why is this so amusing?